Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. You guys, I hope everyone had a super fantastic weekend. Today I'm going to pick a winner for my Hobbii yarn haul giveaway. It was a super massive yarn haul with all of my current Hobbii yarn. As you may or may not know, I am sponsored by Hobbii, so I get a lot of yarn every year. And I do have some extra, and with the extra, I like to give it away. I did have throughout that video a couple of different lots, I guess you could say, that you guys could pick from. One of them was the twister yarn. One of them was Pearly Haze. This is so beautiful, which I made this scarf, which I'll get to in a second. And then the other one was the Dahlia. I think it was a Dahlia and one Dahlia and one Cotton King. So we will get to that in 1 second. But first, I wanted to talk to you guys about my crochet tutorials. These are my crochet tutorials from Hobbii. This one is a placemat, as you can see, super gorgeous. This one is called my Festive Fans placemat. It is a very beginner friendly crochet tutorial. It's single crochets and triple crochets, and you guys can make this in any colorway you would like. If you'd like to get a jump start on your holiday gifts, this is a great something to make for someone special. You can make it in their home colors or your home colors. You can make it, of course, for Christmas, Thanksgiving, any holiday. This would also look great for Halloween and also the Thanksgiving colors. So if you guys would like to make this, I will have the tutorial linked up above right here. And then I also have, and this is one of my favorites, this I made with the Pearly Haze yarn. This is an infinity scarf. Super gorgeous, you guys. This came out super spectacular. This I made with the gathered spikes stitch. It's so beautiful. This yarn is absolutely gorgeous. So this one I'm calling my Sierra. What did I call it? I was going to call it my summer scarf. No. This one's called the Sierra scarf. It's super beautiful, you guys. I am in love with it. This pattern looks kind of complicated, but it actually really isn't. It's just double crochets and a chain, actually. If you guys would like to make this scarf, I will have the tutorial right up here for you guys so you guys can check it out. And yeah, those are both super gorgeous. These are patterns that I made through Hobbii.com, and both of these patterns, actually I should say, will also be sold through Hobbii.com through their website. I just submitted my written pattern, so they should be up probably within about a month and a half. So I'm super excited. I'm super proud of myself, you guys. It's hard work, but my hard work is paying off. And I think that's the right side right there. Anyway, you guys, let's get to this giveaway. The winner picked. Again, I had my massive Hobbii yarn haul. If you guys would like to check out the yarn haul, I will link it at the end of this video. Throughout that yarn haul, I did have little lots to give away. Again, one was a twister, one was the skeins of the Pearly Haze yarn, and the other was a Dahlia mix. There were also, I think there were 5 or 6 different little lots that I gave away throughout that video. So check it out if you guys would like to just see the yarn. I mean, the yarn is super spectacular. I love Hobbii yarn. It's so beautiful. So we're going to pick a winner right now. Let me get situated here. So for those of you who just joined, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, you guys. I really appreciate you all being here. This is the video right here. We are going to copy the link right here, and then we're going to go to the YouTube random comment picker. And we are going to paste that right there. And then filter out those duplicate users. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we're going to get those comments, you guys. This is a time where I talk about my crystal bracelets. To all of my crystal bracelet enthusiasts, my crystal bracelet fans, I ordered a ton of new beads. So they should be arriving probably in 1 to 2 weeks. If you guys would like to check out my current inventory, I will have my Etsy link right up here. These are real crystal gemstone bracelets. This is a pink galaxy tiger's eye, strawberry quartz, dragon vein agate, and cherry quartz. Cherry quartz, watermelon quartz. I always get those mixed up. And we also have the clear quartz, green aventurine, and obsidian. You guys, they are so beautiful. I do custom make them to fit your wrists. Again, the link will be right up here, and all of my links will also be down below. Amount of unique comments, 243. Good luck, everyone. We're going to pick a winner right now. Here we go. And the winner of this giveaway is Sally Horner. Congratulations, Sally. She just won the Pearly Haze yarn. Sally Horner has been with me for quite some time, you guys, and she has never won. So congratulations, Sally. I'm so excited you won. Please, please, please email me your mailing address. My email will be down below in the comment section. You guys, thank you again so much for watching my videos. Please check out my crochet tutorials, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Have a fabulous day, everyone. Bye.